In this video, we're going to talk about other tools that we can use in Sketchup to visualize and show and share and publish our project. So we saw in the previous video how I can create different types of animation, like animating the sunlight and animating the position of the camera, but also like section and other parameters that we can find here, or properties in the scenes panel. So like hidden geometry and tags and section planes, and also other properties as you can see here. So in this video, we're going to see how you can actually visualize more interactively our project using the tools that we find in the package. And so let's get started here. So the first thing I can do is go to File and start with the Trimble Connect. So I can say, okay, open model. And here I can open up models directly from Trimble Connect. So it's kind of a cloud space where you can upload projects and you can connect with other people, share with projects with other people. And in this case, it's more like a private connection more than the 3D warehouse where you can share your model, whatever you create, you can share it with the community. And here instead you can create, for example, a team with some collaborators. You can like manage the tasks and people in the team. So it's kind of a management tool and visualizer altogether. So you can also go here and say publish model. You can publish as, or you can directly launch Trimble Connect. So it's gonna connect to the web. And this is the main panel or the home page as you wish. So here you can set up a project, for example, in Europe, North America, or Asia. In this case, I'm gonna use Europe. And here I can change also the way I'm gonna display the various projects. And I can create a new one. And let's call this test 3. You can choose also a thumbnail here and a server location. So in this case, I will go for Europe. And you have license information, and you can add also description, start date, end date, and then submit. And this is the first part when you start to create your project. Now, this is looking like a dashboard. So you have here some panels that you can expand, and you have also this hamburger menu that you can click here and expand the left panel a little bit more. And you have this blank dashboard basically. So you can synchronize the project from your desktop. So this is gonna bring you to other tools. So you can, for example, download and install Trimble Connect for Windows, and well, other stuff here for other software like Revit. So these are additional synchronizing software that you can use. And you can use here the new folder to create a new folder. And let's call this project test 1. So I'm inside the dashboard, and now I have created a folder, and I can create more folders for each project. Depends on how many projects I'm working on personally or with other people. And here then I can access and I can bring things inside this project. Okay, and you can add other projects here. You can define permissions, export to Excel, view the project in a 3D viewer, and we're gonna see that in just a minute. Also, you can save some views if you want in a particular project, 3D views or 2D views, and you have also to-do list, and you can add people, create a team, for example, your colleagues or your professors or other students, whatever. And also the settings here, you can define more details to your project and the location and many other things here, the units. Basically, you're just doing the things that you do in Sketchup in a different fashion. Okay, and again, here you have all the applications, and you can go back anytime here to the main page. Let's get back to this project. Okay, this was a previous project. You can see I've already uploaded the Sketchup file. So what you do basically, it's when you are in the area, so this one here, it's empty, you click on the folder, and then you can drag and drop the project right here, or you can just simply say add, and instead of creating a simple folder, you can create a 3D model directly in the Sketchup for web. So it's gonna show you Sketchup for web, and we did other video guides about this other application like Sketchup for web or the viewers. So in this case, we're gonna concentrate on other topics, and also you can download here. You can move to another folder, delete it, and so on. So right now this is empty. Again, just drag and drop, or you can click add and upload the files. And when you upload a file inside the folder, I will show you here into another project. This one here, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look, there you go. So you can upload many files. I've just uploaded one to make a test, and this is the lesson that you see here, the animation. So I'm gonna click on this, and it's gonna open up Trimble Connect and visualize the project. So it's not identical to the Sketchup for web. This is actually a viewer, basically, so you can do anything to visualize your project, and you find similar tools that you usually find in SketchUp, in the standard SketchUp. So here on the left side, you can see it to selected models, or you can see everything in the project. And if you click here, you have all the different objects inside. So I can select one from here. I can select it from this list like this, and there you have also the subgroups, and you can see everything from here, all the different elements or objects. And you also have the possibility to remove the model, download, and basically explore everything. It's inside the scene. Now, if you select it from here or from the list, then you have this other toolbar to have the properties of that particular model. And this is also gonna be like something for BIM elements, so you can insert many information here, and also click here. You can add this link, or you can add attachments, or you can place this into to-do list